Hello everyone, this video introduces the point-to-raster function in the vector conversion tool. This function is mainly used to convert any feature class containing point or multipoint features into a raster dataset. Note, the type of the input field determines the type of the output raster. If the field is integer, the output raster will also be integer. If the field is floating point, the output raster will also be floating point. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Point-to-Raster tool. Double-click to open the function window. First, specify the point features to be converted into a raster. The value field is the field used to assign cell values to the output raster. The cell assignment type is optional and provides a method for assigning attribute values to cells when multiple point features fall within a single cell. Here, we select the most frequent method, which assigns the feature with the most common attribute in the value field to the cell. If these features have the same number of common attributes, the feature with the lowest FID is used. For detailed explanations of other methods, please refer to the help documentation. The priority field is used only with the most frequent cell assignment type option. It is used only when determining whether one feature should take precedence over other features with the same attribute value. The cell size represents the cell size of the output raster being created. The noData value is used to specify the value for invalid areas in the raster. Finally, set the storage path and name for the output raster. If you check the Add Result to Project option, a layer for the result data will be automatically created and added to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. Open the raster window to display the converted raster file. Use the Pick Point tool to view the attribute information. That's all for the introduction to the point-to-raster function. Thank you for watching.